I think there's like, the recent stat was that 30 to 40% of all Y Combinator companies are working on voice agents. So this is the new gold rush, right? And I feel extremely privileged with kind of like when we started, how we started, and everything we've done, right? Because unlike a lot of those companies, we have a roster of clients, we have a bench of people in every department, right?
Yeah.
And just the cash and the data that allows us to have, we have full model strategic autonomy. We're not a wrapper, right? Mm-hmm. So do we see competition? Hell yeah, more than ever. Between North America and Europe, there's $1 trillion a year of labor costs in this. And listen to this, people don't want to do those jobs.
That's why in my notes, I don't have, Nikola, what are you going to do with all the people you put out of business? Because call center jobs...
I don't think I've ever put anyone out of business.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's not what I meant. What are you going to do to people that you displace who are doing these rote jobs? But I just don't think we need to have humans answering these questions for other humans. It's a waste of human potential, in my view.
No, I heard you. I mean, like the real thing is, I don't think that we ever had like a large-scale deployment where we implemented this, where someone was like happy with what they're spending on the contact center and they had enough people. Like that is a fictional noun at this point, right?
Right.
And there isn't really like this, proverbial private equity-backed CFO who's like, I'm going to fire 1,000 people. That doesn't happen, right? Because people who don't have a problem don't tend to go and fire 1,000 people, right? And if they have to fire 1,000 people, that company has already let those people go and their service levels have gone to hell, right? So now they need technology to dig themselves out of the grave, right? So that's really the business we're in. The only people we hope to put out of business are all our competitors, right? It's a really fun time. But the other thing that's really important to say is that we're creating a whole new generation of highly paid knowledge workers in the contact center, right? And many ways we think about it, like we're turning the contact center into a command center, right? Because where you previously had, this department that is there as a band-aid for failure management. And you do something wrong as a business. You roll out a product that needs to be recalled, people call the contact center. Your product doesn't work, contact center. You overcharge someone in your back office, they call the contact center. And everyone points a finger at them and they're like, hey, it's your fault. You didn't pick up the phone. You're not working hard enough. Oh, trust me. I've spent a lot of time in contact centers. The number of empathetic people that are doing their best while one after another, callers are being incredibly bad to them. They're terrible. I don't know why people think that being mean will get them something better. They think it's going to get them a refund or whatever. People behave terribly on average. I don't think the contact center leadership talks enough about what their people are going through, right?
I don't think they don't want to admit it. They just want to put that onto someone else and pay them, $14 an hour. This is, by the way, if you're listening to this, here's a hack. The next time you talk to a person on the phone who's helping you with your credit card miles or whatever, be nice. Because one, selfishly, they'll go to bat for you. But two, they didn't do it. Whatever your problem is, they didn't cause it. Be nice to them.